Hello everyone. Today let's make this amazing chicken sandwich, and here I'll be sharing two different ways to cook this chicken sandwich. For the sandwich, first let's make a chicken filling. So I have added 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then goes in garlic and onion. Now I'll just fry them, then goes in some green chilies which I have chopped. Next I'll be adding boiled chicken. Here I have taken chicken which I have boiled and shredded into small pieces. Then goes in salt, and again just fry it nicely. And then I'll be adding half tablespoon of black pepper powder, and it's ready. So I'll be taking out in a bowl. Now in the chicken filling I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I'll simply mix everything together. You can serve these kind of sandwich in your kids' lunchbox, or you can serve it as their evening snacks or breakfast. I'm very sure they will like or enjoy it very much. Now I'll separate half of the chicken filling in one bowl, as we are going to make two different kinds of sandwich. So I have separated, and now in one half I'll be adding some mozzarella cheese. You can add any kind of cheese of your own choice. Again, a nice mix, and our filling for one sandwich is ready. Now I'll be cutting the edge of the bread, and then I'll just simply put the filling inside. These kind of sandwich are very tasty as they become very cheesy. So after that I'll simply toast it in a tawa. I have not added any kind of butter or oil in the tawa. If you want, you can add butter to it. So here you can see one side is nicely toasted, and it's almost ready to be served. So I'll take it out, and I've served it with some tomato ketchup. And now I've just simply cut it, and you can see how cheesy these sandwich are. And obviously kids love cheesy things to eat, so I'm definitely very sure they will enjoy it. Now in the second half I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and I'll simply mix it properly, and then I'll be adding in 2 slices of bread. So this sandwich we are going to fry it like a French toast. So in a plate I'll crack open 2 eggs, and then goes in salt, and simply I'll mix everything, and goes in some red chilli flakes, which is totally optional. I'll simply dip all the sides properly, and then in a tawa I'll be adding some oil, or you can add butter, and fry it until golden brown from both the sides. So now let's flip it, and one side is nice golden brown. This way it becomes very tasty. Now let's cut it, and here's our French toast chicken sandwich ready. So if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. So bye bye for today.